Hello students, in this video we shall study the basic loops which are used in the MATLAB programming. Those are while loop and if loop. So let us clear the workspace for this by command clear all, then press CLC to clear the screen. So clear all will clear the workspace, CLC will clear the command window. Now we need to start a new script file in which we are going to type a code. Okay, so before that we will understand what is the problem statement. So let us understand a problem statement. So the problem statement is like there are two friends A and B who starts initially with the salary of 1 unit and 1.25 unit respectively. At the end of each year they are getting increment of 6% and 2% respectively. That is, A is getting increment of 6%, B is getting increment of 2%. Write a MATLAB code that uses either for or while loop to calculate the annual salaries of the two until the year when A's salary will exceed B's salary. Report the value to the earliest near year n when A's salary will exceed B's salary. That means we need to find out at which particular year the salary of A will exceed salary of B. So here you could see that Mr. A is having salary 1 and B is having salary 1.25 at the year number 1, that is start phase. Okay, at the second year A is getting increment by 6%, so his salary will become 1.06. B's salary will become is getting increment by 2%, so his salary will become 1.275. Afterwards at the third year A is again getting increment by 6%, so his salary is getting going to be 1.1236, where B is again getting increment of 2%, so his salary will become 1.3005. Likewise, if you continue this operation, you will find that at the 7th year the salary of A will be 1.4184, which is more than the salary of B, that is 1.4077. That is our answer. The program should return the answer 7. Now in this particular case we don't know exactly how many times I need to execute the instruction of incrementing and adding into basic salary. I don't know exactly. Okay, so under such situation we will use while loop in a programming. So let us study that program. Okay, so I'll just copy this code. For your purpose you need to type it. Okay, so for understanding purpose I want to copy it. Now in MATLAB, if you want to start the program, you need to go to new script. In a new script, that is in editor window, you need to type your program. Okay, now let us see this particular loop or while loop. So salary of A is 1, salary of B is 1.25 at the first year, that is I is equal to 1. Here I is the year counter. Now what is the loop? That while salary of A is less than salary of B, you repeat the instructions in the loop. Okay, so what is increment of A? It is nothing but salary into 0.06, that is 6%. Increment of B is salary of B into 0.02, that is 2%. Salary of A is salary of A plus increment A. Salary of B is salary of B plus increment B. A of I is salary A. B of I is salary B. I is equal to I plus 1, that is year is incremented. Now when I want to save this code, so I will just click on save. Now MATLAB will prompt me to save it. Okay, save the program. Now I want to save this program. Let us say I will save this program on the desktop with the name of salary. Now in a MATLAB you cannot add a special character to the file name. That means the space is not allowed, as well as any special character is not allowed, but you can input a number. Okay, so salary 1 is our name of the file. Okay, at the desktop. So I'll just save this. Okay, so you could see that in editor this on the desktop salary1.m is the extension of MATLAB files that is saved. Now there is one more thing which you should make sure that your this current folder directory over here and the file which you are the editor window in the file which you are saving here, both should be at the same location, or this file icon over here, okay, this should be at the same location as that of the current folder which is displayed. In other words, you should able to see your file in this current folder directory. Then only then your then only then your file will run. Okay, so just click on run or say F5. Okay, so click on run. It will run. It will run the code, and you could see here that in a command window it is showing the output the salary of A will exceed salary of B at the 7th year. Okay, so let us say this is a basic program, and you could see that all the values of salary A and salary of B are stored in this workspace. So if I click here, I will get those values which I should get for A as well as for salary of B. If I double click, the variable will pop up. So I'll just need to close this. Now let us study few basic command lines in the MATLAB. Okay, in a MATLAB, everywhere whenever you want to terminate the instruction, you need to put a semicolon. Now here A of I is nothing but an array, so this is I is nothing but a dimension of an array. Okay, as I is incrementing, I can store more and more number in the array capital A. Since I want these two to get to get compared every time, okay, I need to store them in an array of that is capital A and capital B. So this is how you can store the values in the MATLAB, and this completes your basic execution of the code in a MATLAB. Now one thing which everyone should remember is that this warning window which is there, okay, this small one, okay, it should be either green or orange. If it is green, there is no syntax error in your program. If it is orange, then there may be some variables which are overwritten in your program. In both the cases, the program will run, but you should know the logic of your own program. The third case is this window, okay, this window over here. I'll just point it out. So this one, okay, this window, warning window, should not be red. If it is red, then there is a syntax error in your there must be a syntax error in your program. Like I will show you in this while loop. If I delete this first bracket, and then you can say that this window has immediately changed its color. So this will always help us to know that whether our program syntax is proper or not. Okay, so this actually completes your first execution of the code. Okay, so further details we will see in next video. Thank you.